Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at Renzo Protocol. The coin ticker is basically REZ, as you can see here. So basically Coinbase actually announced that they will be adding it to a roadmap. Basically Renzo will be launching on Coinbase sometimes in the future, and I think once it does, it will most likely get a little bit of a pump, so I thought I should cover it beforehand. Anyways, looking at this protocol in general, it is basically REZ taking platform, as you can see here, and the token itself is basically used for things including general risk management. We have deposit collateral assets and concentration amounts, operator whitelisting. Basically it is used for governance in general. And if you look at its tokenomics, that is where the problem actually starts. As you can see here, it has a max supply of 10 billion, out of which we have 1.15 billion initial factoring supply, and as of now we have around, if you look here, 2.02 billion in the circulation, as you can see here. And if we look here, the investors are going to get around 31% of the token, which is a massive supply. And the first cliff is going to happen sometime, the first cliff is going to happen in April, and that means sorry, in May I believe, but that means we will most likely see a lot of sell pressure starting May 1st. So if you are planning to buy this coin, or if you are holding this coin, you should know that this coin is going to go even lower, because it's already at 34 million market cap, and I think once they do release these tokens, the market cap will increase because of the price at that point. But I think slowly the coin will most likely go down because of the sell pressure. But again, if there is any big news or anything like that, the coin can actually pump, so there is that possibility as well. Okay, so let's look at its price. After that I will look at various things and other things, because most of you guys only watch tokenomics and price actions sections, so let's just cover these at first. So as you can see here, it launched in April 29th, as you can see, and ever since its launch it has been going in the downtrend. So there is a big trend that you should know about this coin. So if we look at its TVL, as you can see here, it actually peaked in May, as you can see here. So this is when they actually dropped their airdrop, and right after the airdrop the TVL went down, and it has been going down ever since. So that is not a good sign. I think most of the users were actually holding this coin, or you can say were using this protocol because of the airdrop, and they were most likely airdrop farmers. And after that the coin actually went down along with its TVL. So that is a trend that you should look at. Again, the TVL has been struggling. Of course, overall market is going down, but this TVL has been going down as well. That's something that you should know. So looking at the coin's price action, so it has been going down ever since its launch. So if it actually wants to go up, I think we do need to break this downtrend. So once it does go above this downtrend line, we can actually expect a pump, but it is hard to pump from this downtrend. Again, if it does, I think it will most likely go as high as 3 cent. If we do see a hype on Coinbase listing, I think it can go as high as this support zone. So let's look at this support zone. So I think this can actually go at this support, and now it is going to be a resistance. So I think it can go as high as 2.9 cent or even 3 cent if we see a hype from the Coinbase listing, or if they have a news. And if they do have any news, it can actually pump as high as 6.3 cent is a possibility. I think this is a max level for it as of now. So let's just say that it starts pumping as of now, and I think this is a max level that I'm looking at, around 6.7 at. So as of now I have these two targets unless it pumps, but if it does continues to go down, I think we will most likely see new all-time lows. So that means we are most likely going to hit 1 cent in the future from the looks of it. From its trend anyways, it can actually break from here as well. That can also happen. Anyways, this was it about its price. So now let's look at overall its protocol and how it is actually doing. So basically they have easy ETH, they have easy ETH as well. They also have EZ Sol, they have EZ REZ, which is basically their own coin, I believe. They also have BZ Sol, they have EZ Jetio as well. So they do have some options, and the TVL, or the most of the capital, is in the EZ ETH, as you can see, which is EigenLayer REZ Token solution. And as far as their DeFi, as you can see here, they do have a lot of integration from, it seems like. As of now they have only 3, but I think once the support increases it will most likely happen. And as you can see here, they do have multiple options according to the chains. As you can see, we have Arbitrum, we have BNB, we have OP Mainnet, we have Fractal, we have Swell Chain, we have Bear. So the ecosystem is pretty good, but I think once the ecosystem grows, the demand for Renzo REZ Token could grow, and potentially once the interests are aligned on the governance, the Renzo could pump in the future. But due to the nature of the tokenomics or the token unlocks, I think the coin will most likely see a lot of sell pressure unless the investors or core contributors decide not to sell the token, but it is very unlikely. So I think we will most likely see a lot of sell pressure in the future. So if you're planning to hold this coin, you should know about that. Again, let's look at some of the other stats that it has going on. Again, as we talked about its TVL, it went down after the airdrop, as you can see here. Again, we have daily TVL and ETH. So at some point they had over 1.1 million ETH, and as of now they have only around 350k ETH. So that is a massive you can say downtrend. Again, from time to time we have seen a pretty good demand for this coin. As you can see here, we had a lot of ETH deposits here. Again, we also had same in 2024 in November. And if you look here, if we look at the price action at that time, it means that the demand for Renzo did increase. And again, we are looking at the same trend. So we have seen a massive deposits of ETH. It was on 13th Feb again. So that means we could see a pump from this coin. As of now, as you can see here, it has been trying to go up. So we could actually end up hitting 2.8 or even 3 cent is the possibility because of these deposits. Anything can happen. Again, always do your own research. So let's look at another stat. So these are the rest of the stats, you can also check them out as well. So overall, the project itself seems to be solid, but in the end it depends on the coin itself, and this token unlocks is what the problem is. Anyways, we'll see once the token unlocks happen. Anyway, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.